Hi guys, we're going to take a look at some cursive today. I'm going to be working on the cursive letter D. Some things I'd like you to get before you start. You're going to need a pencil. It's up to you if you want to use the one with the grip on it. I'd also like you to find this packet of your handwriting. It starts with the capital letter D. While you're getting that ready, I'll go ahead and get my paper ready. Got it going right back here before I even start. I'm going to get my name on it, make sure we know who it belongs to. Okay, and I'm going to start by looking at our tongue twister. Dogs need to exercise every day. I'm going to find the capital D in manuscript and in cursive. I also see lots of lowercase d. D's in here. There we go. Okay, now let's take a look at our letter today. I'm going to come here and look at the big box. To start out, I want you to put your pencil down so that you can hear and see everything to do first before you start. Okay, so go ahead and watch and listen. Starting on the letter D. Now this one, it is a capital letter, so it is going to take up the whole space from the headline to the baseline, and you've got your midline in the middle. This one actually starts way up at the headline, and you're going to start by curving down to the right, so down to the baseline, and this is kind of like the letter L. You're going to loop to the right, touch the baseline, and then around like the letter O. Okay, I'm going to show you that one more time. Let's see, get that off there first. Let's try this again. You're going to start at the headline. You're going to curve down like the letter J, or the letter L, I'm sorry, over to the right like the letter L, and then around like the letter O. Okay, let's go over here and trace some D's first. You can go ahead and get your pencil ready. We're going to start at the headline. You're going to go to the left like the letter L. When you touch the baseline, loop to the right like the letter L. Touch the baseline again and then around like the letter O, and a little check stroke there. Let's try another one. I'm going to go to the left like the L, loop forward, and then around like the letter O with a little end there as a check stroke. Let's start again at the headline. Down, loop to the right, kind of like the letter L, and then around, check stroke to the headline, down, loop to the right like the L, but then touch the baseline and around like the letter O, curve down, loop like the letter L, touch the baseline again, and then around like the letter O. Okay, I'm going to leave it up to you to try practicing your 5 down below, and I also noticed, so Colton and Alex, you guys will have your capital letter D for your last name. Okay, let's take a look down here. We've got some other things to look at. Oops, I made an extra mark right there. Okay, it says the letter D is not joined to the letter that follows. And obviously, because it ends up here, we've got that check stroke. So write the words that begin with D. We have the month of December and Dalmatian. I'm going to go ahead and start with December first. I'm going to trace it starting at the headline, loop down, curve forward like the L, touch the baseline again, around and loop like the O. Then we have the E, over and back on the C. Don't forget your slants. Careful on the B, don't want it to look like an L, check stroke, and then R. Okay, let's try Dalmatian, starting at the headline. Loop forward like the L, and then around like the letter O. Down, curve, slant, under curve, slant on the L. Over curve, over curve, over curve, over and back on the A. Under curve, slant, under curve, slant, over and back on the A. I don't like how that looks. I'm going to erase that last part right there and try it again. Okay, over and back on the A, and there we go. Now I'm going to do cross dot. Okay, so we have December Dalmatian. I'm going to go ahead and let you practice writing it down below after you've traced. Here's our sentence today. Write a sentence that begins with D. Dogs are loyal pets. I'll have you rewrite your sentence down here carefully. And remember, if you're not able to fit it on the line, one of two things: you're not spacing your letters correctly, or you're not leaving spaces between your letters correctly, so be careful with that. At the very bottom it says write a sentence about dogs. I'm going to leave it up to you what you want to write about. Okay, there is our letter D today. If you have any questions, let me know. Thank you.